Hello, my name is Marko Grdic, and welcome to my professional teaching portfolio tour. Currently, I am a student at Stockton University, majoring in liberal studies and elementary education, and I expect to graduate in December of 2023. First, we have my homepage with all of my contact information, as well as a short section about myself. Next, we move on to my resume page, where you can see my resume that depicts all of the significant coursework that I have taken, as well as my previous employment. Next is the page with my educational philosophy. You have access to my entire philosophy statement, as well as key ideas outlined within it. Next is my page for lesson and unit plans that I've created. So I have my Instructional Technology lesson plan, as well as my Balanced Literacy E unit. My lesson plan for Instructional Tech has to do with factors and multiples for the 6th grade level. By clicking on the images, you can have access to these files. Next is my Instructional Technology page, which has 17 instructional tech tools that I am capable of using. By clicking on these images, you can have access to these as well. And finally, my essential skill competence for critical thinking, which links to my philosophical statement, critically thinking about why I want to become a teacher in the future. That's my portfolio. Thank you for your time and consideration.